My name is Barbie Kyagulanyi Atedereza. Most of you know me as Barbie. I first met Irene at Makerere University at the MDD department. I had gone there to meet Bobi, my then boyfriend, and then I was introduced to her by Bobi. He introduced her alongside her husband, her now husband, Abdul. So I first met her in Makerere. We call her Mirembe at home. She is my sister-in-law. Irene is a pillar, a strong pillar in my life, like I said, and I am not ashamed to let the world know what contribution she has given to who I am today. Irene looked out for us when we really needed assistance. When we had no home to live in, Irene looked for a place, found it, and encouraged us to parent for it. Then she donated her only bed to us. She picked her own bed and gave it to us to use it. Now, when you are at your lowest and someone comes in to lift you up, to make your situation better, you can never take that person for granted. So on her birthday, I really wanted her to know what she means to me particularly, and I did not want to wait for a time when it was too late for her to understand what she means to me. Irene is a very talented dancer. She may be singing now, and you may love her voice, but she dances much, much better than she sings. That's my opinion. Irene took so long to come to the stage to start singing. She has been keeping that talent in the suitcase, and I'm glad that finally she picked it up and she's showing it off. Lest God asks her, what did you do with the talent that I gave you? So I am not surprised that Irene is singing. It was no surprise to me.